Okay, so I haven't posted in a while just because busy. Really hard to film when I'm by myself on most projects. But let me tell you what, these cicadas, if you can see, I wish you could see it right now, how many are flying right now. It's disgusting, for one. Everyone's like, yeah, they're so cool. It's cool they're only there 17 years. No, dude, they're annoying. Anyway, garden has came along. Almost everything is in the ground. So let's see some progress. So we've got the fence up. We didn't have enough chicken wire to go around the whole thing, but that whole upper half of the field is going to be pumpkins and watermelons anyway, so we'll probably just keep it plowed, keep the weeds out of it. But for the most part, everything should fit in here. I am running out of room though, as you can see, towards the front end of the garden. What really creeps me out about these cicadas is that they have like a scream. If you can hear that. Ugh. They don't bite or anything, but the red beady eyes and the way that they stick to you, I don't like it. My dog has recently discovered that he can eat them, which is not really a good thing. If he eats too many of them, I heard it can get stuck in their intestinal tract and cause like all kinds of blockage. But hopefully he catches on soon. But like I said about my sunflowers, they're mammoth. I meant to say mammoth. If you see that one, I thought, oh sure, surely they're gonna flower any time now. They're about 2 feet. Oh god, a cicada in my ear. They're about two feet tall now. The ones up front, I'll show you, they're surpassed that. They're 3 foot tall. No, mammoth sunflowers can get up to 10 to 12 feet high. It's a little ridiculous. So, hopefully they're not so colossal that they block the sun. Cicadas. They're the worst during the daytime. Anyway, like, look at this guy. Alright, so look up in the air. You can see people are like, where do you live? They're not at my house. Well, they're certainly at my house. Ugh. Feel like they're all over me. Harley, stop eating them. Like, literally, they're not birds. They're disgusting, red, beady-eyed insects that feel like have really no purpose other than mating. Harley, stop eating them! And making noise! It's on my back! Can't wait till I'm done the garden, because this is just crazy. Now, when it starts to cool down and the sun goes away, they go away. They like go away for the night. They don't even make as much noise. It's kind of crazy, but I can tell all the other insects are really pissed off. Like dragonflies, wasps. I haven't seen any of them. Like, I've maybe seen a couple dragonflies. Usually there's wasps running rampant. None. So I don't know if they're like in hiding waiting for these bastards to go away or what. Just look at it. It's probably seeing me and it's gonna fly in my face any second. Whoa! Watching this tree. Look at it. Try to zoom in. See if... Oh. Look at this tree. Or weird Japanese maple. Like, I would get closer, but Harley's scared. Mammoth sunflower. Seriously. 3. Oh, Harley's eating one. Stop it! Stop eating it. Gross. But literally, they're like 3 feet tall. Almost.